In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect interface to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a smartphone and an audio interface, you can use them together. In this video, I'm going to be talking about an iPhone specifically, but of course, you can follow the same general instructions for any other smartphone that you have, including Android. To do this, you will need to use specific adapters. So if you look at the back of your audio interface, you can determine what sort of cable you have to use. In this Focusrite Scarlett, for example, one of the USB-C ports here is going to be used for power. So you plug this into a power adapter or power brick, and then it goes into the wall. The other USB port can be used to actually connect it to the phone. If you have an older audio interface, it is also possible that you might need to use a different sort of cable, for example, USB-B, USB-A, and so on. It's going to depend entirely on which audio interface you are using. Sadly, for this video, I cannot cover every single model, including yours, so I'm using the Focusrite here as an example, but you will be able to follow along regardless of which model you have. So for this setup, ideally what you would do is use a USB-C to USB-C cable. You plug one end into the audio interface and the other one directly into your iPhone. But let's say, for example, your audio interface doesn't have a USB-C port. Then what you could do is use the appropriate cable. If the other end is USB-A, you have to purchase one of these hubs or adapters that go into your iPhone and give you access to a USB-A port alongside the option to charge while you have the audio interface connected, and so on. To keep it simple, you need to use the appropriate cable and the appropriate adapter to establish a connection between the iPhone and the audio interface. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.